Hi friends, I have come here to show you how VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function works in Excel. These are very important functions. So for these we need to know what is vertical table and what is horizontal table. So generally what table we see and we use in our daily life, so those are vertical tables like order ID and product sold, salesman, net sale. This is in vertical table. So generally we use this kind of table, but we use very less actually this horizontal table. Here these table are also same, but instead of putting this column in this one row, we are putting this column means the title of each row here in a column. So that's why it is called vertical table, and this is called horizontal table, and this is called vertical table. So now in this vertical table we'll be using VLOOKUP, and in this horizontal table we'll be using HLOOKUP. And what does this function do? Suppose I want to search for particular order ID and I want to get the particular one value, not whole row. We want to search the particular net sale for this particular order ID, and net sale is the fourth column of this table. So one, two, three, four. So fourth column is the net sale. So let's go. We need to write here v lookup function, and then we need to specify this cell, and then we need to specify the range where we need to search that particular value. So this is the range, and then we need to mention the particular column index, that is fourth column net cell, and then we need exact match 0. If we need exact match, then it should be 0. If otherwise it should be 1, but we need exact match, so I am giving 0. So now give enter. So see, 1121 is the order ID, 112 is the order ID, and sorry, 11221 is the order ID, and net cell is 2277. So suppose here we are giving okay. So now this is h lookup. How we can write this h lookup function? H lookup, comma, I need to select the range, and then again you see this is fourth row net cell, so I can give 4, and then we need exact match, so 0. So again this value is same, so it will be same. And suppose I want to see the this value salesman name. So just go to that formula, and instead of giving 4 you give 3. So order ID, product sold, and salesman is the third one. So I am giving the 3. So here you see the salesman name is coming. So similarly here also we can give suppose I want to see the product name, what product we sold for this particular order ID. So that this is second column, so I can give here second index number 2, enter. So see, it is showing product ID. So this is all about VLOOKUP. This is not that much complex, but we need to keep in mind, like VLOOKUP we will be using for vertical table, and HLOOKUP for horizontal table. That's it guys, thank you. And if you have any query, you put in these comments, and also subscribe my channel for any Excel details. Thank you.